asking, hello guys, so many people have been asking me this question on how to apply a blur on our background videos and also how to circle crop our face, just like this when explaining things. So we'll dive into a simple tool called CapCut and do this together. So guys, the first thing that we want to do is to apply a blur on the background of the video. So in my CapCut, I have 3 videos in my new project. I have my video here, and I have a white rectangular paper of 1920 width and 1080 height. Also I have another video here just to expound on this. Okay, so the first thing to do, we will drag our video onto there. Then after doing this, we will go to the effects here and drop the blur on top of the video, just below there. So at first you will notice that the blur is a little bit intense, but I recommend you to reduce it to between 5 to 10. By that, the background will stay soft without losing any information. So come back again and apply the video on top of the blur. Then come to the remove the BG, that is removal of the background, then auto removal. Then it will start counting to remove the background. So guys, to apply a blur on the background normally happens after you have edited your video by adjusting and playing around with the color grading, and also you have cut or removed the information that you don't need or unnecessary information from your video that you are editing. So just how to apply the blur on the background of the video. And you can see here how the video looks like when you apply the blur. So guys, after doing that, you will highlight the videos that you've edited, that you've applied the blur on the background. You will highlight it. Then after highlighting, right click, and get your create compound clip, just to compound them all together. So this is what you have, very clean and soft. Here. So the next thing that we are going to do, we are going to circle crop our face. So to circle crop the face by using CapCut is very easy. Now that we have our video here, we will come to this panel. We will come to the right panel here at mask, under mask. Here there are so many shapes that you can apply, but for professional, we'll pick circle. So here is the circle, we have it right there, so we'll just extend it to where we want it, just by doing that way. You can as well extend it to where you want it. Very simple, very simple. It doesn't need any scale. Yes. As for me, I want it that way. And after doing that, let's come to basic. And now we'll just to make sure that you put it where you want it, the size that you need. Yes, I think that one is a good size. Yes, that one is a good size, by the way. That one is cool. So after doing that, let's come with our white. So this one is just to spice it, to make it more clean and more good, more visible and attractive. So let's carry this our clip here on top of this white, and you know why we are doing that. You know why we are doing that. You know why we are doing that. Yes, after applying it, you see it there. Now that is it. And for the white one, we'll also come again under mask. Let's apply circle there again, and let's put it to where we need it, that way. And let's also put it closer to the size that you need on top of that, right? So that to be much. And guys, boom! Now you have what you wanted to have. You see? Now that's it. Let's play it. Yes, now you have your video according to how you wanted it. And now, after doing that, let's also highlight it, control, then create a compound clip. And that one will make it together to stick so that it looks how you wanted it. So the next thing that we want to do is, now when we want to apply now a video, that's now when you wanted to explain a video, this is what you do. So that's the video. And also now, let's extend it, and take this to the position that you want it to be. Extend it. Now, for this, you'll put it to the position that you want it. If you want it here, or here, or here, or here, but for me, let me put it for you here, and that's it. If you play the video, that's how it's look. So that's the video. You've created everything that you needed. First, you've applied a blur on the background of your video. Second thing, also circle crop your face the way you needed it. So that's how to go about applying a blur and also circle cropping your face. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, so that you can get other videos and the ideas that we post here.